This is the AI News Flash for August 12th, 9 a.m. UTC. First up, Junyang Lin, the researcher who led Alibaba's Quen models, formally announced today the founding of Pragmatik Labs in Shanghai. The company raised several $100 million in its first round, reaching a post-money valuation of about $2 billion. Hongshan, formerly Sequoia China, and Gaorong Ventures co-led with $100 million each. Tencent put in $20 million, and the Shanghai Future Industry Fund also joined. What stands out is that the company has no product and no revenue at this stage. The valuation rests almost entirely on Lin's track record, having built Quen into one of the leading open-source model families. The lab will develop digital agents for knowledge work and embodied AI for physical environments at the same time. The stated goal is a complete agent foundation architecture running from pre-training through to real-world deployment. Lin left Alibaba only 2 months ago. Second, Taiwan's Foxconn reported second quarter net income of 59.97 billion new Taiwan dollars, about 1.86 billion US dollars, a 35% rise year on year. That beat the 58.38 billion new Taiwan dollar consensus in Bloomberg's analyst survey. Second quarter revenue was up 40% from a year earlier. The driver is demand for AI servers used in data centers. The company said AI infrastructure is driving growth and kept its earlier forecast of strong revenue growth for 2026. Capacity is expanding to match. Foxconn is building factories in Mexico and Texas to manufacture AI servers for NVIDIA. Its shares have gained 17% year to date. Third, the San Mateo County Board of Supervisors in California voted unanimously on Tuesday to regulate commercial humanoid robots, making it one of the first jurisdictions in the United States to do so. The resolution sets out 4 requirements. Operators need permits, robots need emergency kill switches, fire safety measures are mandatory, and possible job displacement has to be tracked. The permit revenue has a designated use. It goes toward buying the extra firefighting equipment needed to put out lithium-ion battery fires. Supervisor Ray Mueller introduced the measure. He said the idea came from discussions about how AI affects the workforce, combined with news reports of humanoid robots already being deployed in Asia. Both labor groups and AI safety advocates backed it. Fourth, Samsung Electronics has adopted Anthropic's Claude for semiconductor design and verification work. In the System LSI division, customer-tailored system-on-chip verification tasks that normally take more than a month were completed in 2 days. In one case, a second-year engineer finished a development task in a single day that would typically run past a month. The rollout came in stages. Samsung first gave Claude's coding tool to software development staff in May, then extended access to semiconductor development work, and added other tools including Gemini and ChatGPT. The relationship goes further than tooling. Anthropic has been in exploratory talks about using Samsung's 2nm foundry process to manufacture its own custom AI chips. No manufacturing agreement has been signed yet. Fifth, hedge funds increased their short positions on AI stocks during July, according to a Hazeltree report dated August 12th, covering more than 700 funds in its client base. 3 names appeared among the 10 most shorted stocks: Super Microcomputer, CoreWeave, and Nebius Group. Short positioning grew for all 3 from June into July. The backdrop was a sharp July sell-off. U.S. chip stocks fell 20%, and South Korea's Kospi index fell 22%, both the worst monthly performance since 2008, on concerns about valuations and revenue sustainability. This is not an exit from AI, though. On NVIDIA, funds cut long positions and added shorts, but aggregate positioning stayed net long. Hazeltree described the shift as redeploying capital into companies that have shown signs of monetization. That's all for this AI News Flash.